Do you want to clear PT in 2025? Then this tutorial is going to be very informative and valuable to you. Look at these results. These students have got their desired bands in last couple of days, and most of them are 8 each with 290s as well. What are they doing? What secrets they are following? Guys, there is no secret. It's the guidance and a tailored study plan which they have followed, and they got their desired bands. So in 2025, if you're planning to sit for your PTE exam, you need to follow this study plan which these students have also followed and which help them to clear their desired bands. Hello everyone, this is Vishal here from Vision Language Experts Sydney branch. Today I'm going to talk about study plan. This study plan can help you to clear your exam in less than 10 days. But before I jump into it, if you are new to channel, do subscribe and like the video, and we will be giving one lucky subscriber free mock test as well. Just you need to send an email with the proof of subscription, and we will be helping you with one fully computerized AI scored mock test. Now, did you know that in PT, out of 20 tasks, you only need to focus on 13 tasks and you can get your desired bands, which is 8. So first, let's talk about 5 tasks, which are template based tasks. These are the tasks which you need to go through, learn, revise, prepare in the first 1 to 3 days. Now, what are these template based tasks? The first template based task is describage, followed by retell lecture. Now, these two are from the speaking module. So describage and retell lecture, the template after the changes is working perfectly fine. All the students who have got the desired scores also have followed the same template. You can watch this tutorial over here, which will give you an explanation how to utilize the templates, how to get best out of these templates so that you can get 90 out of 90 in the speaking module. So you start with these two tasks from the speaking module, which are called template based tasks. Then we have summarize written text and essay. Summarize written text and essay, again, you can easily get full marks with the help of templates. But yes, you need to understand how to use the templates. So your first 1 to 3 days should be strictly on understanding them, implementing them, and practicing them, and looking after your mistakes, fixing them. You also need to work on summarize spoken text as well, which is again the last template based task. Now, which templates to follow? There has been a lot of news that PTE does not take templates anymore. But guys, you have to understand that they cannot ban every single template out there. There are some loopholes, guys, and we have figured out those loopholes, and we have made structures, templates in such a manner that this is going to allow you to get perfect scores. Now, let me quickly talk about summaries templates. For summarize written text and spoken text, they are looking for more phrases, more content. So whatever template you choose, make sure that that template allows you to pick more content, more phrases. Same thing is for retell lecture as well, that they want you to speak more phrases. Whatever template you are following, if the template does not allow you to speak more phrases, then that template is banned. Now, if I talk about describage, for describage also, guys, the templates are banned. But which templates? Templates like I can see, there's a beautiful image in front of me. These templates, which are basically just the sentences which does not allow you to speak content. But our templates help students to put in as much as content as they can, but in a very structured manner. So it helps students to speak in a more fluent manner and obviously reduce mistakes such as spellings and grammar in summaries and essay. Now, if I talk about the essay also, with the essay as well, do not put a template which does not give you option to put sentences from your own words. This is very important. So pick the template, pick the structure which allows you, facilitates you to pick sentences from your own side, and you can get perfect scores with the help of templates as well as our students are getting. Now, after you have fixed these template based tasks, then you need to work on the remaining 5 important tasks, which are repeat sentences, then followed by your reading and writing fill in the blanks, then your reading fill in the blanks, reorder paragraphs, and lastly, write from dictations. Just spend 3 to 4 days practicing these tasks, guys. That's it, okay? Because these are the tasks which contribute chunk of the marks. At least 50 to 60% of the marks comes from only these 5 tasks. This is really important. So if you're planning for 7, 8 or above 8, this is really important that you need to work hard on these 5 tasks. This is what our students have done. They made sure that they are practicing every single day at least 25 each of these 5 tasks, and that's what I want you guys to do as well after you have fixed your template based tasks. And this will take you closer to your desired scores. Now I'm also going to show you the plan for 10 days, which is going to help you to summarize everything I have told, right, and put it into action. So watch this plan carefully just for 10 days and you will be ready to sit for your exam. From day 1 to day 3, your job is to learn the templates, to implement it and repeat the process. So first 1 to 3 days, you will be working on this image, minimum 5 every single day until it is fixed. It could be 6, it could be 7, it could be 10. So until it's not fixed, until you're not getting the desired scores, which is at least 14 out of 15, do not stop. Same thing you have to do with read a lecture. Minimum 5 until fixed. And then summarize written text 2, followed by essay 2 and summarize spoken text as well too. Again, the process is very simple. Memorize the template, revise it, practice it and repeat the process. Your job is to revise, memorize the template without any spelling or grammar error. You also need to work on time management skills, typing speed as well, and make sure that you have enough time to proofread. This is very important and this is going to allow you to get better at these tasks, which is very important for you to get your desired bands. Now let's talk about day 4, day 5 and day 6. You have to first go to weekly predictions. You have to sign up to Vision Language Experts. Over there, go to weekly predictions, go to any task and go to weekly predictions. You can sign up there for free. You can practice weekly predictions for free. Now your job is to practice these 5 tasks daily, at least 25 each. So repeat sentences 25, reading and writing fill in the blanks 25, reading blanks 25, reorders 25 and write from dictations 25. You need to do them daily, at least 25 guys. Do not miss this part. Now on day 7, I would advise you to do full mock test. You can go to visionlanguageexperts.com.au and you can give one full mock test over there. Our mock test has the most updated scoring. Even read aloud one-line strategy works in our mocks in our portal. So that's going to give you the clear picture as well. It will give you the most updated scoring. It's very important to give a mock. That's going to help you to understand your weaker areas, where you need to work, how you need to work, and what areas you need to focus more, guys. The priorities, that's very important. Now from day 8 to day 10, again we're gonna focus on 5 important tasks, but we're gonna do 30 each. So repeat sentences 30, followed by reading and writing blanks 30, reading blanks 30, reorder paragraphs 30, write from dictations 30. Now these tasks you should also practice only from weekly predictions because there is a high chance of repetition from these questions. Now these students have got the desired bands following the plan. Do not waste your time, do not waste your attempts. In 2025, you can get your desired bands within the first attempt. Follow this plan, and if you like the video, do subscribe and give a thumbs up. Make sure that send us email with the proof of subscription and we will pick up one lucky subscriber whom we will share mock test details. All the best to everyone. Happy New Year from entire Vision Language Experts team. 2025 is yours.